Can you see yourself in the 2021 Nissan Kicks? This spacious Kicks delivers crossover versatility with a trendy twist. You're sure to appreciate its impressive fuel efficiency, standard driver assist safety features, and comfortable cabin, and you'll love the fun factor. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.